Hi, I'm going to do simultaneous equations by using something called Cramer's rule, which is working with determinants. However, before I begin that, what I'd like to do is prove it to you by using linear combination. So you get an idea of where the formula comes from, what gave me the right to do it. So if I start off with ax plus by equals c and dx plus ey equals f, if I multiply the top by d and the bottom by a, look what I have. I can say ADX plus BDY is equal to CD. And I can say ADX plus AEY is equal to AF. Now if I turn it around and I subtract, let's look what I'm left with. ADX minus ADX is equal to 0. So I'm left with BDY minus AEY equals CD minus AF. And if I factor out of y, I can say BD minus AE equals CD minus AF. And if I divide both sides by BD minus AE, BD minus AE, I can say y is equal to CD minus AF over BD minus AE. And solving for x would be the exact same way. However, let's just figure out what to do and how this is being used. Let's take the example that we did in our first video, which was 2 hot dogs, let's call that x, plus 1 drink, let's call that y, is equal to $23. And 3 hot dogs plus 2 drinks was $37. In this case, let's solve for x first. Okay, if I solve for x first, I'm going to cover up the x. And let's see what we have. I'm going to cover this up. 23, 37, this is a 1, 1, 2, over, now let's keep the order the way it is, 2, 3, 1, 2. And let's look at what we're left with. 23 times 2 is 46. You notice how I'm working with determinants now. Minus 1 times 37 is 37. And let's do that again. 2 times 2 is 4. Minus 1 times 3 is 3. 46 minus 37 is 9. 4 minus 3 is 1. So x is equal to 1. Let me go through this one more time, solving for y. Okay, let's look at what y is equal to. Y is equal to, again, the denominator will be the same grouping of numbers. The denominator is easy. In the right order. 2, 3, 1, 2. 2, 3, 1, 2. Now let's look at the numerator. To solve for the numerator, I cover up the y, and I put these numbers in. The same way I did it for x, I put the numbers in. So let's look at the order I'm putting it in. 2, 3, 23, and 37. 2, 3, 23, and 37. So I'm putting in 2, 3, 23, and 37. 7. Now let's look at what I'm left with. 2 times 37 minus 3 times 23. 2 times 2 minus 1 times 3. Pointing it out again. That. And finally, let's look at what we're left with. 74 minus 69 over 4 minus 3 equals 5 over 1. So y equals 5. And the drink was $5. Notice the steps involved. All we did was quick substitution, and the rest falls into place. Thank you and have a great day.